Jaggery, also known as gur, is a natural sweetener made from sugarcane juice. It is a result of boiling and processing sugarcane juice until it solidifies into a block of concentrated sweetness. What sets Tatwani Jaggery apart is its rich flavor profile and the enhanced nutritional content due to its unique preparation process. We are prepared various products of Jaggery like Desi Jaggery, Masala Jaggery Punjabi shakkar, Kolhapuri Jaggery cube, Jaggery peanuts, sesame product like Laddu Chikki Gajak, Patty Rawati rolls. Tatwani Jaggery products offers a range of Jaggery-based delights that celebrate the goodness of nature while preserving the richness of tradition.